How to install BONOSS Wheel Spacers. Slide the jack under the vehicle to the lifting point and raise the vehicle slowly until the head of the single wheel is completely lifted off the ground. Remember to place a jack stand under your vehicle to ensure safety. Using rust remover to clean the wheel hub, wipe with the sandpaper so that wheel spacer can fit the hub better. Place the BONOSS wheel spacers on the hub and align the holes in the spacers with the studs. Use the matching lock nuts to tighten the wheel spacer to original studs. Then use a torque wrench to snug up the lock nuts in a stud pattern with the right torque. Remove the jack stand. Use the jack to lower the vehicle slowly until the wheel is in full contact with the ground. Finally, tighten the nut of the original car with an appropriate torque. The same steps as the rest of the wheels. Wheel spacers are safe for off-roading, as long as you use hub-centric ones, high-quality spacers and install them correctly. Wider tires not only offer you a better handling, but also make the obstacles much smaller. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time, bye bye!